Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Binance Hotels feature. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPad Pro. So let's jump into it. First, open the Binance app. Then you should switch to the Binance Pro version, which you can do at the top left corner by tapping on your profile image. And then at this section, you should see the Binance Pro version and activate it. If you already activated it, then just come to the home page, and then you should swipe down slowly, and then it's going to open up this secret marketplace feature, and here you will find the hotels topic, and by tapping on it, it's going to open up this different section of the app, and here you can find and reserve hotels inside the Binance app. You can choose the city that you want to reserve a hotel in, for example Hawaii, and then choose your dates and check-in and check-out dates, the persons list that are going to stay in the hotel, and after that you can do your checkout. You can see your bookings here and all the setting information. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.